Hello everyone. I'm going to be covering the homework problems in Dr. Perez's class. We're starting with problem 1. The question reads, we have three identical metallic spheres A, B, and C. Initially, sphere A is charged with charge Q, while B and C are neutral. First, sphere A is brought into contact with sphere B and then separated from it. After that, sphere A is brought into contact with sphere C and then separated from it. Finally, sphere A is brought into contact with sphere B again, and it's separated. What's the final charge on sphere A? So because they're metallic, then we can assume that these are conductors. So that means that if you touch one sphere to another sphere, so say this is the first touch, A to B, the charge is going to be evenly distributed throughout these two spheres. And what that means is that if there was, say, 10 coulombs of charge initially in sphere A, that means that half will go and stay in A and half will stay in B. So basically the charge in A has to equal to the charge in B. So with that in mind, let's look at the question. It says, what is the final charge of sphere A? So sphere H starts with charge Q, and then when it first touches B, it has Q over 2, and B has Q over 2. And then it touches C, so this is A and C. So right now A has, before it touches, it's at Q over 2, and then after it touches, it has to distribute half to C, right? So then that means each has Q over 4 charge. And then it touches sphere B again. So this thing is a bit interesting because the total charge, so here, let's draw this out. You have A and B. A is Q over 4 and B is Q over 2. So the total charge is equal to Q, you just sum these two together, right? And you know that this total charge must be shared evenly between them, so then you can divide it by 2. So what is this? This is 3Q over 4, right? This is equal to 2x. So that means that x is the charge on one of these spheres, which is 3, 8Q. So the answer is that one right there.